Hello guys and welcome to YouTube channel. This video today is just a thanksgiving to you guys for subscribing to my channel. So I've designed it using a presentation. That's PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So guys, you're very grateful to me. I thank you for this far, for the subscription. I'm now at 100 plus subscriptions, and I believe that you're going to move me to the next level. You're going to view my videos even more. So let's get going. All these designs for you. So let's get going right away. So gifting my 100 plus subscribers. This design is just for you my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Indeed, you're very good people. More uploads still coming. I'm still uploading for you. Go view the uploads, then share the link with your friends and family, and let them subscribe to my channel for even more updates and for any solution. I have reached 100 plus subscribers. Wow, this is good. Thanks for your great support. Indeed, you're great. More uploads still coming. Be blessed forever. Be blessed forever. Be blessed forever. Be blessed forever. Be blessed forever, my subscribers. I'm happy for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do before the video ends. Be blessed forever. Continue watching my videos, continue watching my channel and make it very active. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notification. Thank you.